Hi guys, this is DRD and you are watching this video for the unpacking of this Corsica wireless headset. It's called Byte. It's from Dell, as you might have known by now, and it's quite a handy product and it has got 1 year warranty. So first of all, let's begin about the unpacking. So let's see what's there for us. Okay, so this is the wireless headset, you can see. The design is quite sleek actually, so you might be tempted to see what's there. Okay, so let me show you. See, it's quite compact. It can be there adjusted in just a palm. So this is quite good and it comes quite handy. As you can see, it can be folded in whatever way you want. It fits quite easily around your neck and wrist, and you can just roam around boasting of it. See, it fits quite easily onto your ears and it's quite comfortable. Just there is some drawback that it can't be adjusted to like just wrap up around your head and fit quite tightly, but it's good because it rests on your ears, this thing, and it doesn't come down. Okay, so what else we got here? Okay, so we got this little black box. And, okay, so this pouch you can carry around your headphone in this pouch, but I don't think rarely anyone will use it. And yeah, the main thing here, 1 year warranty card. So you can be certain that at least it will last for 1 hour, so 1 year, sorry. So yeah, it's a good product to buy. Okay, so as far as the sound quality is concerned, the main thing which you might be interested in knowing, because I have been using this product for the last 2 months or so the sound quality is not that of a very high level as you would want, because you see, anyway it is a Bluetooth wireless device, so it can connect to any phone, any laptop, or any iPod, or any device which supports Bluetooth. So yeah, the quality is on a bit sacrifice side. So but overall the quality is not that bad. It's good actually. You can talk through phone, video chatting through Skype, and what else? What would you want from such a cheap headphone? You know, it's just 12.30 when I bought it from Flipkart. I'm telling you, from Flipkart, and currently I don't know what's the current status of this. Okay, so let me show you a quick demo of how to connect it through any mobile. Okay, so here is one of my oldest mobile, and yeah, this is quite old. I bought it 8 years back. So yes. See, I hope this is visible. Okay, so I just go and okay, so I just switch on my Bluetooth, and so since I have already searched for it, it already recognizes this device, but let me show you how I'm deleted. Okay, so here we go. See, this device, it has got some function keys inbuilt on the side of one of the speakers. So here is for like next song, previous song, volume adjustment keys, and the best part of this is you don't have to worry about the battery at all. It's USB chargeable. I think I missed it then box, but anyway, you can just plug the device to your laptop and get it charged, and the backup is like you can listen to the music for 20 hours continuously and it won't discharge. Okay, so yeah, I have to show this. See, if this center button you are seeing here, call, so this is a multi-function button. If you press it for too long, it will just switch on, and you can see it because the light flashes, and that's when you know that the device is switched on and its Bluetooth is on. So if you just search for Bluetooth devices from your phone, searching for devices. So it's still searching. Yeah, here is it. You can see the second Byte. That's what the device, Byte Corsica. It's a product of Dell, as you all know already. So I'll just connect. It's waiting for Byte Corsica, I think. It will ask for a passcode, so it's 0000. It's just confirming from the device. And it will ask, okay, so it is done. I'll just connect it to the found device and it will get connected, and this blue light, it will flash in like 7 seconds for one time if it is connected to any Bluetooth device. So let me play a song. Okay, I'm just opening the music player myself. Here it is. I don't know whether this sound will be clear or not, but this is the sound. I don't know if it will be audible, but anyways, the sound quality is good. Maybe the bass level is on a lower side, but the quality is okay. And one advice for anybody who wants to purchase it, that if you are a true hardcore fan of music and you just want it for the purpose of pleasant music listening, then it is not the correct device for you to buy, because it's not meant for those who are solely into music. It's meant for those who want some device to just connect and listen on a, not on a daily purpose or so. In a weekly, I once in a while I like to watch any TV series or any movie, then it's fine. Otherwise, it's not an appropriate device. Overall, it's the best wireless Bluetooth headset you can get right now in the market. The best at this price. It's the cheapest and the best. Thank you. That was all for this review. Stay connected and hit on that subscribe button right down there.